So we thought we'd take some time to answer some frequently asked questions that we hear a lot in the market. So Brian.
Yes.
What does it mean to be a smart building?
Smart building in my mind, and people take it in different ways. There's different people see it in different ways. And it really started as a digital building, right? So digital, then moving to a digital space, and let's make it intelligent at the same time. So that's where it's moving to a smart building, is a building that can do more than just human interaction and input to change things. So that building will start to learn the environment, learn people's inputs and what those are, and start to do some self-management of the space. Self-healing is what they also call it. So as people move around spaces, the temperature control is a good example, how they control the environment in their space, or if the sun is too bright, the shades automatically be controlled to compensate for the amount of light coming in. After a while, that space starts to learn. Artificial intelligence to a degree, but really starting to learn and make it smart. So it's less people interaction. You set parameters and the building operates under those parameters until you change those parameters.
So how does Power over Ethernet smart building technology differ from various Wi-Fi smart building technologies that are out there?
I think they go hand in hand. Wi-Fi enabled intelligence is definitely a big part of the equation. Wi-Fi is still traditionally going to be your communications method. There's no doubt. Machines, devices will tie into the Wi-Fi for control, but still a lot of it's going to be direct connected or hard connected per se. That way those systems are robust, redundant, and repeatable. But there is a Wi-Fi efficiencies coming. There's been some out there. It's still traditionally communications based, but we're starting to see more of a control mechanism being Wi-Fi enabled to give analytics, to take data, to do some, I've even seen some lighting controls from one of our partners, Molex, where the wall switch, the people that still want to use wall switches, even though it's intelligent space, people want to see, feel, and wall switches, still be able to walk up and hit a button. So they're still incorporated in there there's no wires run to it. There's an inductive action happens when by pushing that button, it creates energy through an inductive state, and it stores it in the capacitors inside to do what it needs to do for the instant, that second. So by physically touching it is through wire, and then it's connected wirelessly into the network to do control. So that's where some wireless technologies are coming in. But really the intelligent smart building space is the key focus, with wireless as a service within that space.
So you're saying that our Power over Ethernet technology can be used in conjunction with other Wi-Fi technologies as opposed to either or? Strictly
wireless, or it's not connected, everything is on a wireless. People talk about wireless and being less cable. There's a lot of cable in wireless just because of redundancy, because of the speeds and the bandwidth requirements and the power requirements. There's a lot of cabling connected to the wire side of it, which enables that. But yes, everything is a connected environment. For sure. And then all that leads to the bigger connected world of the smart cities, right? Same thing. A lot of wireless 5G involved in a smart city application, but all of it is connected behind the wireless and all the way into the applications. Everything is all connected direct, whether fiber or copper or PoE, everything is attached.